Hello, guys. Welcome on the platform. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or anybody who just wants to design his own space. Imagine the situation: you have a kitchen which you're not satisfied with, and all you have to do is just upload the photo of the kitchen. So just take the photo, upload it right here. Let's say this is not the kitchen, this is me, but this is the kitchen. Let's say we have this kitchen and we are not satisfied with the look of it. So all you have to do is just select the room time. For example, let's go for the kitchen right now. Let's select the style. We like, let's say Scandinavian. Then a color palette. You can go for custom right here, or you can just select something which is here as a default. And then also the budget. So based on the budget, it will suggest the design of the kitchen. Kitchens are pretty expensive, so let's go with something like this. And right now we will wait a couple of seconds and we will get this kitchen redesigned. Also, the case might be that you already liked some kitchen before, so you've seen something on Pinterest, or for example, your client told you that he likes the black colors and this kind of wood and this kind of mood of the kitchens. So based on it, you can actually send a reference picture and then design it. So you see, this is the Scandinavian style. So before, after. I'm just not satisfied with the look of it, so we can also say make it more modern and clean it so there are like no other like towels and stuff like so it's super simple and nice. And let's try, for example, two variations or how on how it could actually modify this place, and we will see it in a couple of seconds how it will change. In the meantime, we will find a reference picture of the kitchen that we like. So let's type in reference picture kitchen. Let's see some inspirations. For example, I can say that I like this kind of kitchens. Yeah, this kind of a glossy. So I will just take a screenshot out of this. And yeah, we got basically something pretty similar. But you see, this was the Scandinavian, this was the Scandinavian, this was the clean version, and this is the one that's like redesigned. So you see the difference right here. But we can say we are not completely satisfied with it. I want this uh, kitchen to be redesigned based on this reference picture. So it doesn't matter which kind of language you use. Basically, you can use your like own language in which you can say the message much simpler and much like so the message makes sense. Yeah, that's it. And we will see the difference in a couple of seconds. This usually takes about 20 seconds. We will see this kitchen based on the reference that we sent, so how it would look. And if your client is satisfied with it or it's not, you can basically generate like tens of like hundreds of designs and send it to him. He will say what he like, and based on that you can actually sketch a bit and model it in a SketchUp or anywhere you actually use any type of tool. It's also available on the MeltFlex. This will take a bit more, but you see we got this glossy design as was on the reference picture. You can also see the materials in here, which are like so similar to the ones that we actually received in the end in MeltFlex. So this would be it for the tutorial. I'm so happy that you tuned in. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, or if you have any other questions, just contact us on our email. You will find it on the website in the footer section. And this is a platform called meltflexai.com. One redesign is for free, so just upload the picture and redesign it, and then it's $20 per month. So I will be so happy if you try it out. I think the customers of ours are pretty satisfied. You can see it on the references here. So I will be happy if you join in. Thanks. Ciao.